Hi guys! In this series of HTML5 for Absolute Beginner, we're going to discuss about the basic tags in HTML5. Please take note, the installation of HTML5 won't be discussed in this topic, so please watch the first video of this series. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. To start with, we're going to create a new file, and we're going to call this basic tags.html. To start, I'm going to call the document type then followed by with the HTML tags here. Then we need to insert or declare the head. And next one is the body. That's it. To understand, tags are like keywords which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. It will help the HTML to distinguish between an HTML content and a simple content. Notice that whenever I create a tags here, it composed of three main parts. The first one is the opening tags. The next one is the content tag and the closing tag. Closing tag are represented with a slash. This means that these are all closing tag. But some tags are unclosed. So please take note, not all tags has three components, but some are you can consider as unclosed tags. Notice on the first part, I declared a doc type. So this doc type is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. Also, to begin, we started with HTML tag. This elements tag or the HTML tag, it's described as an HTML document. All the other elements should be nested inside these elements. Next to HTML tags is the head tag. These head tags elements serve as the introductory information, a headline. So let's say I'm going to insert another tag here, a title. So let's say this is my basic title. Okay. Now next to the head tag is the body tag. These body tags defines all visible page content. So these were all the page design display or create. Let's say, for example, I'm going to create an h1 tag represent as the header or the heading of an example of a heading. So let's say I'm going to type here this is my heading. Okay. Also, we're going to include another HTML tag, and this represent as P, or also known as paragraph. So let's say this is my sample paragraph. In HTML, Imagine that you're creating a document in Word. In here, you can also do that, but you need to define the tags. Let's say for a certain text, you want to make it bold or italic or center. So this in HTML, for that to have a beautiful display, it should be assigned a tag. Now, since you understand the basic concept of HTML tags, we're going to display this in our HTML preview. So to do that, we need to press Ctrl, Shift, and V, or victory. And there you go. So take note. So this template will be our starting point for throughout the series. At the end of the day, you will find or love HTML and understand all those basic concepts, and on the later part, you can create this or apply this into your future HTML project. So that's it. Hope you like this video and subscribe, and see you guys on the next video series. Cheers!